Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another base website that was the faucet website of Bitcoin faucet website. First of all, go to deposit, copy your Bitcoin wallet address from here. After copy your Bitcoin wallet address, come in this website, just put your Bitcoin wallet address in here. You can claim up to 200 Satoshi every 50 minutes and just click claim. You first of all solve this capture available in here. 10 minus 9 is 1, 21 minus 1 is 20, 7 plus 1 is 8, and 6 plus 5 is 11. Just click each capture, solve the each capture is a train available in this picture. Click it, click verify, and just click claim now. You can see this website send me 1 Satoshi, but this website pay you up to 200 Satoshi every 50 minutes. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself, and bye bye for now.